Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we'll discuss how to develop your personality and personal brand. Personality is comprised of personal traits. Personality development leads to personality development. Personal development leads to personality development. It is your unique typical actions and behavioral styles which people observe. Check how you act and react with others, which people accept as praiseworthy ones. Every person is unique. Know your strength, have self confidence, have self beliefs in your abilities and actions. Face challenges boldly. No need to imitate others. Learn from others, but act on your own way, based on your own conscience. So look for others' best qualities, learn from them, meet them, learn from their smiles, cheer, and support. Keep some good tips in mind to develop every day, in every instance. First, disposition of your personality surfaces through your gestures and postures and other body movements. So, your health, body structure through regular exercise play a great role to expose you to others and make you attractive. So, it is better to do regular exercise and keep you fit. It will automatically expose yourself in a fit and fine manner. Your look and outlook, style of making eye contact with others, and how you attract people's attention matter a lot. Be serious to apprise yourself how you meet and greet people, and how you shake hand with a good grip, good warm grip while meeting people. Never hesitate to go forward first to be friendly with another person. Never keep any hesitation in mind for caste, color, or creed. Greet people with a smile. Ensure that you enjoy meeting. If you enjoy most, other person will surely sense your vibes. Improve your communication style. Be able to express your views clearly. To continue communication and to know each other well. Talk on matters of common interest. Look for opportunities how you can help the stranger. Do not open your heart at first instance. Go ahead slowly. Show your positive outlook, your intention to help others, how you are grateful to others even when you get small help. Have fun, enjoy humor together, improve your people skill, and strengthen your interpersonal relationship IPR. Your ability to build good relationship makes your impression with others. Read more. Knowledge is power. Attract others during discussion by your diversified knowledge. Have your own style of speaking by heart. Be able to mix with different kinds of people in different stages of life cycle and status also, like students, teachers, opinion leaders, children, junior managers, administrators, senior managers, like that. Your personal values like kindness, honesty, integrity like doing what is right and speaking the truth, show your distinct personal brand image. Your work ethics like reliability, responsible positive attitude, quality, and determination place your good image on the eyes and heart of others. Maintain personal hygiene. Don't forget it. Don't forget to trace oil. Based on the occasion, especially. Present yourself to others in a fit and fine manner. Manage your body odor and be more approachable. Let others feel you are better than many people. Be sociable. Be sociable. Reach out to many people and increase your network continuously. Place more importance to interpersonal relationship. Be more interested to establish and maintain friendship and cooperation. Be more agreeable and extrovert to make more new friends daily. Give more and do not think of getting any return gift. Do good to others. Rewards will automatically follow. Be a karmojogi. Update your to-do list daily. Prioritize 3 to 4 activities as most important ones and try to complete this and be satisfied. Your satisfaction should be exposed through your face and be contagious. Be adaptable to environmental changes also. Possess abilities to adjust with others in different and difficult situations. Confront challenges with confidence. Take each problem as a project. Judge what causes the problems. Pains, frustrations, fear, stress, strain, worry, tension, and learn from each such situation and enrich yourself continuously. Utilize your time well. Believe time is most precious. You are not immortal. Life is composed of few years activities and years are made of only few days. So be very conscious on the importance of time. Above all, you must be aware enough what factors mostly influence and determine your personality, like environmental, social, biological, and situational factors. Although heredity plays a great role in developing your personality, but it can be improved in better environment and social contexts, for which all brothers and sisters in a family do not grow in the same way, although parents are same. So you can improve your personality very well. Learn what qualities can be developed to improve your personality further and to take it to a greater height. Journaling daily and learn from your own actions. Mix with good people, satsang. Listen more, talk less. Be curious like a child to learn new things daily. Read good books, blogs, see your YouTube videos, see others' videos, vlogs, and learn from them. Stay away from negative thoughts. Stay away from negatively minded people. Love working together in a team and ask for feedback. Be able to organize your things well. Be a good leader and inspire others to be better organized. Strengthen your strengths and overcome fears. Always think positive and inculcate good habits. Neglect the past events if those pinch you too much. Be more on present moment. Learn to forgive and forget and remain free from anger and anxiety. It should be shown on your face. Think frustration and enemies help you to go ahead. Follow your intuition. Imagine your best self and be objective oriented to reach that level. Practice self compassion. Self care helps you for physical, mental, intellectual, social, and spiritual development. Check your personality, type of personality. Whether you are type A, who always try to win over and dominate, or type B, calm and friendly, but always objective oriented also. Type C, love discovering new things. Type D, mostly remain stressed and angry. So, like that, check what type of personality you possess. Be responsible for your actions. Always feel present is more important than past or future. Manage your stress well and help others to handle their stress effectively. Do your SWOT analysis. SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities, and threats. Always be prepared to utilize opportunities well. The motto is be prepared, always be prepared. Place more importance on relationship management. Demonstrate by your action that social connections are most important to you. Then how you can develop your personal brand? Personal brand indicates who you are and what are your values. It states your stories, emphasizing what you want to be, how can you help others, and how you want to be known for, being quite clear about your objectives. So you will have to increase your online presence, networks, be clear on your niche area, your audience or customer. You need to leave your brand, develop brand image, be genuine, and leave a legacy. Thank you. Wish you all the best.